If you have a ton of photos on your iPhone, transferring them to a computer can feel harder than it should. But honestly, it's pretty easy once you know the right method. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer photos from your iPhone to a PC or Mac in just a few minutes. Let's start with Windows. First, connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable. Make sure the cable supports data transfer. Now unlock your iPhone. You may see a message asking if you trust this computer. Tap Trust and enter your iPhone passcode. On your PC, open the Photos app. Click Import. Then select your connected iPhone. Your computer should scan the phone and show your available photos and videos. From here, you can choose exactly what you want to transfer. Or you can select everything. Pick the folder where you want to save them, then click Import. That's it. Now, if you're using a Mac, the process is even easier. Connect your iPhone to your Mac with a USB cable. Unlock the iPhone and tap Trust if asked. Then, open the Photos app on your Mac. Your iPhone should appear in the sidebar. Click on it, select the photos you want, and click Import Selected. If you want to transfer all your new photos, you can also choose the option to import all new items. One important tip: don't disconnect your iPhone while the transfer is still running. Also, if your photos are stored in iCloud, make sure they're actually downloaded to your iPhone before transferring them by cable. So, whether you're using Windows or Mac, you don't need complicated software. Just connect your iPhone, unlock it, choose your photos and import them. It really can take just a few minutes.